Grasping English, Mastering Demonstrative Determiners. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome to our new video. Today we're diving into a fundamental aspect of English grammar, demonstrative determiners. In this video, we'll explore their functions and see how they operate within sentences. So buckle up, and let's boost your English skills. First and foremost, what are demonstrative determiners? They are words that we use to point to specific things in a sentence. The four demonstrative determiners in English are this, that, these, those. This, and these, refer to items close to the speaker, while that, and those, refer to items further away. Let's start with this, and these. This is used for singular items close to the speaker, and these is used for plural items close to the speaker. For example, this is my book. These are my books. In both sentences, the items referred to, the book, books, are close to the speaker. Moving further away, we have that and those. That is used for singular items further from the speaker, and those is used for plural items further from the speaker. For example, that is your book. Those are your books. In these sentences, the items referred to, the book, books, are further from the speaker. Now that we know the basics, let's focus on the role of demonstrative determiners in sentences. They are often used to differentiate between items in a conversation. They can specify the spatial, temporal, or contextual distance of the referred item from the speaker or the listener. For example, this cat, near me, is smaller than that cat, over there. These apples, here, are fresher than those apples, there. Remember, the key to mastering demonstrative determiners is understanding and visualizing the context and spatial relationship they represent. And there we have it. You've just sailed through the fascinating world of demonstrative determiners in English. Now it's time to practice. Try to create sentences using this, that, these, and those. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Thank you for watching, and keep up your fantastic work learning English. Until next time.